Hello, my name is Wayne, and in this tutorial video, we fix flickering problem with static mesh. Here on the screen, you can see the static mesh disappearing as I look up, left, or right. So let's go to solve this problem now. We open the content browser window and select the static mesh of the object we want to repair. We write the word bounds in the search field, and it will find us the settings for positive and negative bounds extension. We will try to raise them to, for example, 150. Now just click on Save button in the left corner, and try now if it works. And the static mesh is no longer flickering or disappearing. That's all for this video. If you like this tutorial video, I will be happy if you support me on the Patreon, where you can find more useful tutorials. Have a nice day. Bye.